Okay, good morning, first PC students. Okay, yesterday, what did we learn? Mathematical induction problems. So, today, let us go to the next model. Problem number 11. Prove that 1 by 1 into 2 into 3 plus 1 by 2 into 3 into 4 plus 1 by 3 into 4 into 5 plus and so on plus 1 by n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 is equal to n into n plus 3. So 4 into n plus 1 into n plus 2. This is the problem. Already this type of problems only 1 into 2 into 3, not a dot, into, read as into. So 1 into only 1 by not 1 into 2 into 3, 2 into 3 into 4 problem already completed, discussed. So this is 1 by 1 into 2 into 3. Okay. So what is the first one? No. P of n. No. What is the first? This is the problem. What is the first one? First step. What is the first step? Solution. Let P of n is equal to. We have to prove P of 1 is true. So put n is equal to 1 no. Put n is equal to 1 no. LHS. Okay, LHS is equal to what? 1 by n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. 1 by 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 2 is equal to 6. RHS. What is RHS? n into n plus 3 by 4 into n plus 1 into n plus 2. This is what. So that is equal to 1 into 1 plus 3 by 4 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 2. E 4 cancel 1 by 6. Okay. This is same thing, very easy. Okay. So P of 1 LHS is equal to RHS. So therefore P of 1 is true. So assume P of k is true for k belongs to n. No. Assume P of k is true. P of k is true means 1 by 1 into 3, 1 by 2 into 3 into 4, 1 by 3 into 4 into 5 plus and so on. P of n is equal to this one. P of k means n is equal to k in the P of n. So n bodulu k into k plus 1 into k plus 2 is equal to k into k plus 3 by 4 into k plus 1 into k plus 2. This is equation number 1. So we have to prove that. Next one, we have to prove that P of k plus 1. We have to prove that P of k plus 1 is true. So k plus 1th term. How to come k plus 1th term? Put n is equal to k plus 1 in the nth term, given that. N is equal to k means kth term. N is equal to k plus 1 means k plus 1 in the nth term, only nth term. LHS, okay, not RHS. RHS is called sum of the nth terms. Only LHS is equal to only nth term. So 1 by n is equal to k plus 1 means k plus 1 into k plus 1 plus 1, k k plus 1 plus 2, that is equal to 1 by k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 3. 1 by k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 3. So adding k plus 1th term, adding k plus 1th term both sides in equation number 1. Up to this very simple and 2 marks. The remaining 3 marks, this is very hard. So next one is important. Listen carefully. So this is k into k plus 1 into k plus 2 plus 1 by k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 3 the LHS. Next RHS, k into k plus 3 by k into k plus 3 by 4 into k plus 1 into k plus 2 plus adding k plus 1th term, k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 3. Now take LCM. What is LCM? 4 k plus 1 k plus 2 and k plus 3 is the LCM. 4 k plus 1 k plus 2. Okay, so what is the first one? K into k plus 3 whole square. Okay, in the denominator in the first term, no k plus 3 term is there, is no k plus 3 term. Okay, not there in k plus 2 term, because into k plus 1 plus k plus 1 into k plus 2 k plus 3 plus 4. So that is equal to k into k plus 3 whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. 2ab means 6k plus 4 by 4 into k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 3. Okay. Next, multiply. That is equal to k cube plus 6k square, k into k square, k cube plus 6k square plus 9k plus 4 by 4 into k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 3. Okay. What is the division algorithm synthetic method? This is the first cube coefficient 1, k square coefficient 6, k coefficient 9, constant 4. First minus 1 fix. Okay, minus 1. First 0, 1 plus 0 1, 1 into minus 1 minus 1, 6 minus 1 5, 5 into minus 1 minus 5, 9 minus 5 is equal to 4, 4 into minus 1 minus 4, last must be 0, remainder 0. So this is the k cube, k square, k constant. After simplification, this is k square coefficient to k coefficient constant. Okay, so that is equal to k is equal to minus 1 means k plus 1 into what first k square plus 5k plus 4 by 4 into k plus 1 into k plus 2 into k plus 3. So factors, so that is equal to k plus 1 cancel, ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ కే స్క్వేరు ప్లస్ 5k square plus 4. For example 3 plus 2. Okay, factors varla first what is the 4 into k plus 1 into k plus 2. Okay, next here k plus 1 into k plus 4 1 4. Okay, factors k square plus k plus 4k plus 4 by 4 into k plus 2 into k plus 3. Add 4k plus 1k 5k multiply 4k square. So that is equal to k common k plus 1. Okay, k common, first k come k plus 1 plus 4 common k plus 1 by 4 into k plus 2 into k plus 3. Okay, next that is equal to k plus 1 into k plus 4 by 4 into k plus 2 into k plus 3. This one. So what will get answer? What is the answer? N into n plus 3. N is equal to k plus 1. N plus 3. So there is no gap. So what is the final answer? That is equal to k plus 1 into k plus 1 plus 3 by 4 into k plus 1 plus 1 k plus 1 plus 2. This is the final answer. So n into n plus 3. N is equal to what? K plus 1 into n plus 3 means k plus 1 plus 3 by 4 into n plus 1. N plus 1 is equal to what? K plus 1 plus 1 k plus 1 plus 2. What is the RHS side of the given problem? N into n plus 3 by 4 into n plus 1 into n plus 2. This is the RHS side of the given problem. What we have to prove? Put n is equal to k plus 1. So n k plus 1, n plus 3 k plus 1 plus 3. 4 n plus 1 k plus 1 plus 1 n plus 2 k plus 1 plus 2. Simple problem. This is the synthetic method. First coefficient, first take 0 and adding, and each value, each answer is multiplied with -1. Okay, this is the problem. This is the first method. Only prove that LHS or RHS both are given. Only prove that. This is the first type. Okay. Now next another type, second type problems. If the remaining problem in your exercise 4.1, okay, you will do same type. Okay, only common and multiplication, so common. So this is the new concept, synthetic method. 3 power 2n plus 2 minus 8n minus 9. 3 power 2n plus 2 minus 8n minus 9 is divisible by 8. Is divisible by 8. Okay. Divisible by 8 means, for example, 1 into 8. 1 into 8 is divisible by 8. Listen carefully. 1 into 8 is divisible by 8. Divisible by 8. 8 is equal to 8. 8 by 8, 0. Next, 2 into 8 is divisible by 8. 2 into 8. 3 into 8. This is table. 8th table. 1 into 8, 2 into 8, 3 into 8, 4 into 8, 5 into 8, 100 into 8, 1000 into 8. Okay, any number means only positive integers. Only integers. Integer into number. Integer into 8 is equal to divisible by 8. Okay, so 10 into 8 is divisible by 8. 100 into 8 divisible by 8. So sum k into 8. K into 8 is also divisible by 8. Is clear? Okay. Any number into 8. Any number is what? Any number is not correct. Positive, that's an integer. Negative also integer. So what is k? K is a integer. K is a integer. So k into 8 is divisible by 8, where k is what? Integer. Minus 1 into 8 divisible by 8. Okay. So this is the meaning of divisible by 8. Okay. So 10 into 8 is divisible by 8. Okay. So this is clear. This is a topic, important one. This listen carefully. Is it clear or not? Any number into 8. Any number is means integer. 1 by 2 into 8 is divisible by 8. For example, 1 by 2 into 8 is equal to what? 4. 4 is divisible by 8? Wrong. So any number is means what? Integer. Integer into number is equal to divisible by number. Integer into 8 divisible by 8. Integer into 17 divisible by 17. Okay na? This one. This is the same procedure. Not prove that divisible by 8. Prove that. This prove that. Prove that this number is divisible by 8. Okay. First. Same procedure. P of n is equal to 3 power 2n plus 2. Solution. Same procedure. Minus 8n minus 9. Next, put n is equal to 1. Put n is equal to 1 means P of 1 is equal to 3 power 2 into 1 plus 2. 3 power 2 into 1 plus 2 minus 8 into 1 minus 9 is equal to 2 into 1 2. 2 plus 2 4. 3 power 4 minus 8 minus 17. 3 power 4 is what? 3 power 4 is 27. 27, huh? 3 power 4, 81. 81 minus 3 power 4 is equal to 81. 81 minus 7 is equal to 4. 7 minus 1 is equal to 64. 64. That value equal to 64. 64 is equal to 8 into 8. 8 8 ja 64. So 8 into 8 is divisible by 8. 8 divisible. 64 is divisible by 8. Divisible by 8. So therefore 64 is divisible. 64 is divisible by 8. Therefore P of 1 is true. Next, assume in the first method LHS RHS is there, so LHS is equal to RHS means P of 1 is true. So here the direct value, put n is equal to 1, that given value, that final value is divisible by 8 means P of 1 is true. Not divisible by 8 means this is not true. Assume P of k is true. What P of n? What is the P of k? 3 power 2k plus 2 minus 8k minus 9. 1 is true means what? 1 is true means what? That value 64 is divisible. So P of k is not a perfect value. P of 1 means n is equal to 1 means we get perfect value. So P of k is not a perfect value. So P of k is what? 3 power 2k plus 2 minus 8k minus 9 is equal to this value. This value is divisible by 8 means what? 8 into k. 8 into k means what? Divisible by 8. K is what? Integer. K is an integer. K is an integer. Okay, this is the main part. Okay, already n is equal to, we have to prove P of 1 is equal to true means put n is equal to 1, we get perfect value. This value is divisible by 8 or not, it is easy to decide. So the P of k is true, already assumed. Okay, assume. So P of k is true means that value is not a perfect value. Not a perfect value means how to say this is divisible by 8 or not? It is impossible. So this value is equal to divisible by 8 means what? 8 into k. At the same way, the next problem, another problem, divisible by, for example, 17 means this value is equal to 17 into k. Divisible by 20 means 20 into k. Okay, divisible by 11 means 11 into k. This is important one. Okay, so next 3 power 2k plus 2 is equal to 8k. This goes to left side. Minus 8k plus 8k plus 9. This is equation number 1. These two steps are very important steps. Okay. How many terms? 1, 2, 3 terms. In 3 terms, the simplify the big term. This is the big, the next big, this is the constant. Compared to these 3, this is the bigger, this is the smaller. So big value is equal to the remaining 2 values goes to right side. Equal to, this is the very important step. Okay, the big value is equal to the remaining values sent to right side. Okay, next one. Okay, clear? This is the only simple logic. Okay, so next P of k. Okay, next we have to show that P of k plus 1 is true. ಏನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? P of k plus 1 true అనేది ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So in the first method, put n is equal to k plus 1 is the answer. RHS side of the given problem, put n is equal to k plus 1 you have to prove. Given problem RHS ದಲ್ಲಿ n is equal to k plus 1 ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದು k plus 1 true ಆಗಿದೆ. Now we have already taken P of k plus 1. So P of k true means what? That kth term is equal to 8 into k. Kth term is equal to 8 into k means P of k is true. So we have to show that P of k plus 1 is true means what? k plus 1th term is equal to 8 into sum. This is prove it. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಏನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೆಥಡಲ್ಲಿ ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಕೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ అనేది ಹೆಂಗೆ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆ ಬದಲು ಕೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಕೆ ಬದಲು ಕೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದು ಯಾವ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ, ಯಾವ ಪದವಾಗುತ್ತದೆ? ಕೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1th ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಆ ಕೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1th ಟರ್ಮ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? 8 into ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಇದು ನೀವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಸೊ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಪಿ ಆಫ್ ಕೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಏನಿದೆ? ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೇತ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ 3 into 2 into k plus 1 plus 2 minus 8 into k plus 1 minus 9. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಎಂಥ ಟರ್ಮು? ಓಕೆನಾ? ಇದು ಎಂಥ ಟರ್ಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ n is equal to k plus 1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ k plus 1 ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇದಲ್ಲಿ k plus 1 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಕೂಡ k plus 1 ಟರ್ಮೇ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ನೀವು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಈ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ದಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ 8 into something. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 3 power multiply 2k 2 into 1 2 plus 2 4. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆದ 2k plus 2 2k plus 2 plus 2 2k plus 2 plus 2 minus 8k minus 8 minus 9. So that is equal to formula 3 power 2k plus 2 3 power 2k plus 2 into 3 square 3 power 2k plus 2 into 3 square because of a power m plus n. A power m plus n is equal to a power m into a power n. A power m into a power n. So this is m, this is n. A power m plus n is equal to a power m into a power n minus 8k minus 8 into minus 17. So that is equal to here from 1. What is 1? 3 power 2k plus 2 value 3 power 2k plus ಇಲ್ಲಿ k ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೆ కదా, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಪಿ ಅನ್ಕೋ. ಓಕೆ, 8p ಪ್ಲಸ್ 8k ಪ್ಲಸ್ 9. ಈಗ ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಕೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅನ್ಕೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ 3 power 2 plus ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ? 8p ಪ್ಲಸ್ 8k ಪ್ಲಸ್ 9 ಇಂಟು 9 3 square ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 9 ಮೈನಸ್ 8k ಮೈನಸ್ 17. ನೀವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 8 ಕಾಮನ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಂದ ಕಾಮನ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು 8p ಇಂಟು 9, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು 8k ಇಂಟು 9 ಇಂಟು 9 81 ಮೈನಸ್ 8k ಮೈನಸ್ 17 ಮೈನಸ್ 8k ಮೈನಸ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್. ಈ 3 power 2k plus 2 ಬದಲು ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡು. 8p plus 8k plus 9 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ವಿತ್ 9 ಇಂಟು 8p ಇಂಟು 9 8k ಇಂಟು 9 9 ಇಂಟು 9 81 ಮೈನಸ್ k ಮೈನಸ್ 18. ಸೊ 8p ಇಂಟು 9. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ in two terms 8k common. 8k common means 9 minus 1. 81 minus 17 64. 81 minus 17 is equal to 64. So that is equal to common 8, common with 8. 8 common means 9p. This is 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. 8k plus 8. So that is equal to 8 into some q. Where is q? Q is a integer. So therefore p of k plus 1 is true. P of k plus 1 is true. Once again, first the given problem same as P of n, okay, put n is equal to 1. There is no LHS RHS here. In the second method only single term LHS equal to RHS, there is no. So put n is equal to 1 in the given problem is equal to 64. 64 by 8 is equal to 8. 64 is the divisible by 8. So P of 1 is true. Next, P of k is true. P of k is true means what? The given problem put n is equal to k. Is also true. Is also true means the total value is divisible by 8. The total value divisible by 8 means some 8 into some integer, say p. Okay, some p. Next, 3 terms. In 3 terms, the biggest term is equal to remaining 8p. This goes to sent to right side, plus 8k plus 9, equation number 1. Now we have to show that P of k plus 1 is true. Okay, so P of k plus 1 is true andre in the first method ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ k plus 1 term ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಓಕೆ, ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 1 ಗಂಟೆ ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 1ಗೆ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ? ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ ಹೆಚ್ ಎಸ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೋ ಆ ಎಲ್ ಹೆಚ್ ಎಸ್ದಲ್ಲಿ n is equal k plus 1 ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ನೀವು ಆ ಥರ k plus 1 ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು P of k is true ಅಂದರೆ n is equal k ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೀವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? P of k plus 1 ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇದೇ n is equal to k plus 1 ತಗೋ, substitute put n is equal to k plus 1 in the given problem. So 3 power 2k plus 1 means 2k plus 2 plus 2 8k minus a minus 9. So the value after simplify what we'll get? That value is equal to 8 into something. The something is integer, 8 into integer. So 3 power 2k plus 2, 3 power 2k plus 2 into 3 square. This is the formula of a power m plus n. A power m plus n is equal to a power m into a power n into 3 square. So from 1, what we'll get from 1? 3 power 2k plus 2. 3 power 2k plus 2 value is equal to what? 8p plus 8k plus 9 into 3 square is equal to 9. Multiply with 9. 8p into 9, 8k into 9 plus 81 minus 8k minus 17. So 8p into 9 plus here 8k common, both 8k. 2 terms common 8k. 8k common, 9 minus 1 plus 81 minus 17 is equal to 64. So common 8 common. Next p 9p plus 9 minus 1 is equal to 8 common, 8k plus 64 common, 8 into 8 64 8. So this value total value equal to q. What is q? Is a integer, say. So 8 into q means divisible by 8. So which one is divisible by 8? P of k plus 1 term is equal to 8 into q. So P of k plus 1 is true. So therefore hence by the principle of mathematical induction P of n is true for n belongs to n. This is the second method. Tomorrow another problem. Okay, I will say another problem and some other model is also there. So I will continue tomorrow.